What if I told you that the continents as we know them are on a collision course, destined to form a new supercontinent? Australia will drift northward, eventually colliding with Asia, creating towering mountain ranges. In just 50 million years, Africa will merge with Europe, closing the Mediterranean Sea forever. The Atlantic Ocean will continue to widen, pushing the Americas further apart from Europe and Africa. Antarctica, once a frozen wasteland, will transform into a lush, green paradise as it moves towards the equator. Life on Earth will adapt in extraordinary ways, with new species evolving to thrive in these changing environments. Humanity, if still around, will witness these monumental changes, adapting their civilizations to the new world order. The climate will undergo significant shifts, with some regions becoming arid deserts while others turn into fertile lands. Volcanic activity will reshape the landscape, creating new islands and altering coastlines dramatically. Join us as we explore the incredible future of our planet, where the only constant is change.